is up, everybody, and welcome back. We're in Pennsylvania. It is a scorcher of a day today, so we are doing some wet wading, as you can tell. The goal today is to catch a big trout or a big smallmouth, and I'm not leaving until I do. I mean, I got all day, cleared my schedule, so I'm gonna fish till dark or however long it takes. We're gonna catch something big today. And I also brought my catfish rod, so we're gonna put that out. Usually about this time of year I start catching some catfish in here too. Might end up with a big catfish, we'll see. But we're gonna get going here. We'll start in this little pool. It's a nice little spot. Run, got a catfish on. Catfish on, could be a big one. I got this on the little ultralight. This is the ultralight telescoping rod. As long as he, oh, he broke me off. Dang. Damn. I was worried about that. Looks like it broke at my knot too, which isn't a good thing. But I'm gonna get it back out there. Should be another one. Hopefully that one bites again or something. Alrighty, so we did not get another bite after that catfish, and it's been pretty slow so far. We're working our way down. I'm gonna start where I wanted to start today and then just keep going from there. I'm working our way back to the truck. Make sure you guys subscribe and like and comment in this video. If I didn't catch anything decent size, I'm not even gonna post it. So if you're seeing this, stick around because I got into something. But we're gonna get up here and get going. Should have some nice smallmouth and stuff up here. Usually about this time of year, the smallmouth have moved up, and same with the catfish up in these deep pools. And it should happen pretty quick if they're in here. And hopefully there's some holdover decent sized trout. I'm hoping to get a nice brown or something. It's been tucked away underneath a tree branch or something. But it is beautiful out today. Conditions are right. It's a little warm. Got a late start, but I'll fish all night if I got to. So we're gonna get up here, get going. We're gonna work pretty quick. That way I can cover a lot of ground. And if I gotta go to that backup plan where I know there's some big trout, then we'll get over there. But for now, we're gonna work on this. Okay, I couldn't resist this spot, and I'm glad I couldn't because nice brown on already. Nice brown. Hopefully he doesn't break me off. He is in a jaggedy spot. I think it's a brown, actually. Smallmouth, nice smallmouth. Well, here we go. I guess I'm gonna have to pick my net up on the way back because I ain't going back yet. But for smallmouth, not bad. I lost my net somewhere. I'm guessing when I came out of the weeds of the other spot. Hopefully it's there when I get back, and hopefully I remember to look for it. Another one. Another fish. That was quick, and this is a brown for sure. And I don't have my net. Or no, it's a rainbow. Nice, decent one. Nice rainbow. Well, this spot's loaded so far. That was my second cast in here. And that cast was not a very good cast. So. something. Another smallmouth. These smallmouth are so fun to catch. If you got rivers with these in them, now this is the perfect time of year. It's May now, or May, it's June. And usually these little rivers have a ton of little smallmouth. Sometimes some really big ones. I've caught some really nice smallmouth in these rivers, these little ones. Alrighty, that was a pretty cool little spot. Found the skull on the way to the next spot. I don't know what it's from, but it's kind of neat. Should get up here. We're not quite to the spot yet, but it's probably another half mile, but this should be a pretty good spot. If that spot was good, this spot should be even better. So we'll get up here, and I know there's gonna be some nice fish in this spot. All right, made it down here. It's a little bit farther walk than I remembered, but we got it. Might even be a nice spot for the fly rod. I know there's gonna be some trout in here. Some smallies or something. Seen something jump. We're starting to get the storm blowing in. They said it wasn't supposed to happen until like 8 o'clock tonight, but I guess they were wrong. Trout. Little rainbow. Fighter. There he is. There he goes. Wasn't very big anyway. Definitely no professional. Perfect little spot. Let's try and get another one. Storm's rolling in fast. Catfish rod's going. Something just hit it. There we go. That's a nice one too. Trying to hurry, it's getting crazy. My catfish rod's going. I don't know if you could see that. And I got one on the fly rod. It looks like a nice brown. And the storm is kicking up. I gotta hurry up and get this one released because my Catfish rod's going crazy. Nice brown. Get him in the water. Spin that around. Got a catfish on this. Nice one too, I think that's a catfish. Oh, I don't know. It is. As you can tell, it's storming. Got a catfish on finally. Get back out there, see what else we could get. It's a good thing I'm wet wading because it is raining like crazy now. Get this out here again, catch another catfish. All right, this is the one I was looking for. It's storming like crazy, but we got it done. Got a nice smallmouth on, really nice one. If I could get it in here, my line has not been holding up. Nice smallmouth, nice smallmouth. Yes, finally in the thunderstorm, in the thunderstorm. There it is, got it done. Now let's see how many more are in there. It looks like it might be clearing up, or I'm just gonna keep fishing anyway. I don't know yet. Hopefully you've been sticking around, because we're not done yet. We got still a lot of water I want to cover. The storm kind of looks like, at least over there, that it's clearing up. It's thundering like crazy, but I don't mind a little rain, especially when we're getting into some bigger smallies. And we haven't even got to the best spot yet. Trying to get down there. I got one more spot I want to stop, and then we should be in the really good spot. But this spot may produce a nice smallmouth, at least a nice catfish. It should. Here it is, right after this ripple here. Usually this produces some pretty nice catfish and maybe even some nice trout. Didn't have time. Got it done. Nice trout. We got everything we wanted today. Big brown and big smallmouth and a nice catfish. Oh, let him go there. Man, that was a nice brown. I didn't even think that I had anything nice there. I thought it was something small, and it ended up being that really nice brown. So we got accomplished what we came here for. Now we're just fishing for fun. Just working my way down and out. I wanted to fish this spot. I never fished on this stream before, and man, there's a ton of trout right here. Caught a smallmouth, small one. Second trout. I just never usually have time, and usually I'm not quite down exactly where I'm at right now. I usually don't make it down quite here, but man, I don't know how many fish I've caught today, but it's been a lot. Look at this slice of heaven. There's gonna be some fish in here, I bet. For sure. Oh, I lost it. Set the hook too hard. But that didn't take long. So I'm sure it's still out there. Trout. Another regular size rainbow. Barely hooked. Easy release. There's a bunch in here for sure. One after another pretty much. I'm not complaining about that. Got our bigger fish and we're getting quantity today. Thought there'd be some smallies tucked up in that stuff too. A bunch of big rocks up in there. That's the trout that we're looking for. Get my other camera. Sit down. This is the trout. This is the fish that we searched all day for if we could get them in. This is a giant rainbow. This is the fish we were looking for. Get a hold of them without losing them. Oh, I don't know if you guys seen that, but that was a giant rainbow. Alrighty, we're getting out of here. We more than accomplished our goal. Caught a nice rainbow, big one. Hopefully you could see good enough in the footage before it jumped out of my hands how nice it was. Caught a nice brown, a nice smallmouth, and a pretty decent catfish. So we did what we came here to do, and finally got a day where the numbers were good too. I don't even know how many fish I caught. Probably 20 or so trout at least, and a bunch of smallmouth. Only one catfish. We lost that one big one, and I did find my net where we lost that thing at, so I'm glad to have that back. But that's about it for today. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I usually try and upload every Monday and every Friday, so keep checking back for those videos. And I usually throw some every once in a while, throw one in on Wednesday. Just keep checking back, comment, subscribe, let me know what's going on, how you like the videos. I try and get better and better every time with the editing and everything, so hopefully they're turning out good. We'll catch you guys next time.